You know, the wonderful thing about Christine is that she actually takes the time for you. She takes the time to get to know you, to get deeper into things. She doesn't just touch the surface, she goes all the way, and she's really there for you. Never have I felt alone for even a single moment. And just the way she held me while I was crying, while I was feeling so vulnerable, I felt so protected and guided through the emotions instead of feeling lost and overwhelmed by everything that I was feeling. She really created a space for me to just feel whatever I feel, but with so much love and protection and compassion and kindness towards myself that I haven't really felt before. And I really needed to let that energy go. I needed to cry. I needed to let everything out. And she really encouraged me to just tune in and accept whatever arises at the particular moment, and don't push it away. So it's been transformational. I feel like I'm really more equipped now to feel and to process my emotions, versus before the workshop. I feel like I'm a bit lighter actually too.